All right, exciting news, my Canon EOS R5 users. Canon just announced Firmware 1.9.0, and like the rest of you, we're all expecting big things. But in reality, yeah.
That is one big pile of shit.
This firmware isn't too exciting, but I'm here to tell you about it anyway. I mean, at the very least, you know, we were hoping for the removal of that 30-minute record limit. That would have been great. Or even if we had like an hour-long record limit in 4K 30 at least, like that would have been cool. There's a lot of updates and features I want to see on the R5. I made a video talking about firmware updates I would like to see on the R5 right there if you want to go check that out. And I personally think Canon's not gonna do it because, you know what, let's go over what's in this firmware first and then we'll talk a little bit after. All right, so what you get is, it is now possible to erase voice memos attached to images. In addition, it is now possible to add voice memos to protected images. So for the 10 people who wanted that feature, there you go. 2, enhanced security when sending captured images via FTPS. I guess that's a good thing if people are skiffing your images while you're sending them off to FTP. Added support functions for software development kits. Okay, I don't know what that even means, but hopefully that's a good thing for future developments. 4, fixed a phenomenon in which camera operation was rarely effective after touch operation and busy was displayed even when the camera was operated. Right, okay, though the English there isn't too good, but hey, you know what? At least Canon is taking care of. All right, and number 5, fixed minor bugs. So, you know, I guess that's all good stuff, amazing stuff. But I mean, there's a lot of things. And by the way, if you're new to the R5 system and you're not sure how to do your firmware updates, video about it there. And if you run into that glitch where you can't update to the newest firmware, check out that video right there. That'll help you out in case you can't go right to the newest firmware. You have to update a middle firmware first and then the newest firmware. So yeah, that's that. But yeah, you know what? Honestly, there's all these rumors now of the Canon EOS R5 Mark II coming soon. Maybe in the next few months, we'll probably start seeing some leaks and maybe some announcements by the end of the year. So I kind of feel Canon is one of those companies where they don't want to undermine the sales of their new product by making their older products better. So I'm not sure we're gonna see any significant updates in firmware to the Canon EOS R5 anytime soon. Hopefully I'm wrong. Hopefully they give us some really cool stuff for the R5 Mark II, updated autofocus algorithms, unlimited recording. I mean, all these things would be great. They gave us that feature where the camera can ignore overheating warnings so we can record longer, but we still get stuck at that 30-minute limit. But anyway, that's that quick little video. Hopefully you enjoyed that. Enjoy Firmware 1.9.0 with those phenomenon fixes. It's gonna make your camera a lot better. But yeah, that's it, short little video. All right, go do your firmware updates, enjoy your phenomenon-free camera. And yeah, that's the end of this video. It's a quick little video, and I will see you guys in the next video.